Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your password on Capital.com broker account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Capital.com broker. Then we're going to click on the first link that pops up. So once we're in this page, we're going to click on our account section on the top left corner. Then we're going to click on settings. So as you can see, there is the change password option. You're going to click on it. So primarily you're going to insert your current password. Once you're done, click on continue and insert your new password. Then you're going to have to type your new password. Then once you're done, you're going to click on set new password. So this is how you do it. You basically set a new password. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.